In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search for a friend and add them to Steam account. By the end, you'll be able to open Steam, access friends and chat, add a friend using either their friend code or their username, send the invite, and know exactly what to expect while you wait for them to accept. First, open Steam. Make sure the main Steam window is visible on your screen so you can access your friends' features. Next, click Friends and Chat. You'll find this in the Steam window. Clicking it opens the Friends and Chat panel so you can manage your friends. Now, click Add a Friend. This opens the Add a Friend screen where you can connect with people in two ways. From here, use one option. You can enter a friend code or you can search by username. Choose the one you have available. If you're entering a friend code, let's click into the field labeled for the friend code. Type or paste your friend's code exactly as provided. As soon as the full code is entered, Steam will show the matching profile. Take a moment to confirm it looks like the right person so you don't send an invite to the wrong account. Once you see the correct profile, you're ready for the next step. If you're searching by username instead, click in the search box on this page. Type your friend's Steam username carefully. Steam will display a list of matching profiles. Look through the results, and when you spot the correct one, select it so you're targeting the right account. This helps avoid sending an invite to someone with a similar name. Now, click Send Invite. You'll see this on the profile you just targeted. And either after entering a friend code or after selecting a username from the search results, click it once and Steam will send a friend request to that person. If you click the correct profile, this is safe to do. Steam only adds them after they accept. At this point, wait for acceptance. Your friend will receive the request inside Steam. There's nothing else you need to do right now. Once they accept, Steam connects both accounts as friends automatically. You'll then see them listed in your friends and chat panel, and you'll be able to message them or start a game together from your friends list. To recap the flow you just followed on screen, you opened Steam, clicked friends and chat, clicked add a friend, used either the friend code or the username search to find the right person, clicked send invite, and then waited for your friend to accept. That's the complete process for how to search for a friend and add them to your Steam account, and it works the same way every time. Your friend request has been sent successfully, and the setup for adding a friend on Steam is now complete. As soon as your friend accepts, the connection is active and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.